Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went cherry picking and I had lots of cherries. So I decided to make the sparkling cherry limeade and decided to take you guys with me while I'm making it. So let's get started. The ingredients that you will need are pitted cherries, lemon lime soda, I'm using Sprite, honey, salt, sugar, a lime or lemon, mint as a garnish, and ice. Now we're going to add all the ingredients into the blender. So first you're going to add 1 cup of pitted cherries. Next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add variegated lime, and I'm going to add some lime zest using this grater. And you just need like about half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to cut the lime in half. You can also always use a lemon. I'm only going to use half a lemon, and while I squeeze it, I'm going to use a strainer so it can catch all the seeds. Then once you're done squeezing the lime or lemon, I'm going to put the cap on, and then we're going to blend it. Now, let's filter it. Once I pour it, I'm going to press it with a spoon and mix it so that it gets strained evenly. Now, once the juice is out, I have the cup I'm going to pour it in, and I already have some ice in it. Next, you're going to pour the cherry limeade, about a little bit more than half. And then you're going to fill up the rest with the Sprite. And last, I'm going to top it off with some mint as a garnish. And voila! It's a sparkling cherry limeade. I wish I could make this every day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I encourage you to definitely make this sparkling cherry limeade. Like this video, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Cheers!